Back out here at one of my favorite Nike outlets. I've been trying to help one of my boys with some racing shoes. I was gonna say, hey, no racing shoes, but no size 8s. I don't even see any size 8s at all. Holy cow. So much for that. Barely got any refurbs too. I just love finding refurbs at the Nike outlets, but not really. Terra Kigers, one of the only size 8s right here. $80. You do get 30% off the back wall today. Most other spots, I think it's 20 this weekend, but do got 30% here. East LA gets 40%. Those are too much. So these are what, 160? Jordan 1 Golf right here, 150. Seeing a few more size 8s at least. But yeah, that brings it down to $100 or something like that. Not bad. Not bad. Black cement. And then some of the only refurbished here, size 9.5 Roshis go for 45. Slightly imperfect. Got some ice shots right here, 58. At least you get 30 off on top. Yo, that might be the cheapest LeBrons I've ever seen. 69.97. Get an extra 30 off. So that's like $50 for LeBrons. Holy cow. Holy cow, that's like $50, huh? These are a size 8.5, $49 after the discount. That's definitely the cheapest I've ever seen. The LeBron 21s. Holy cow. So it hasn't been crazy, but still got deals. Look at this. Look at this. They give you the box top. I freaking love that. Jordan 1 low OGs right here, and that has a metal hang tag. This one got a metal hang tag. That is dope, dude. That is dope. Back in the day, we throw that on our backpack and stuff. But yeah, 140. You do get that extra 30% off. Holy cow, that's my size 10.5. Yeah, that brings that close to 100. That's what, 105? Holy cow. Got some Blazer mids right here. This is a quick strike. Who is this a collab with? I don't even recognize this. I have not been paying attention to all the releases. Shows right there, I guess, huh? Okay. Okay. $110 for these. These are size 10. Soulfly 5s right here. Some racing shoes, budget racing shoes, 85. Slightly imperfect for these. I believe these have carbon fiber inside. Oh, not carbon fiber, fiberglass. The budget carbon fiber. It does have fiberglass plate on it. Jordan 1 Comforts right here, 140. So even when it's not crazy, can still find some crazy deals. I think they mismarked that LeBron. Yeah, Jordan 7 infrared right here, 160. That's size 9. Flight 95, aka Jason Kidd's 130. 60 for the Blazers right there. Got Jordans right there. Jordan 38s, 2 bills. Too much. Dang, we just saw those for 70 at East LA, I think. But that was a refurb. Never mind. I am looking for backpacks. I don't want to be looking for backpacks right before school, so I do want to look for them now. $20. Oh, these are for the balls. God dang it. I'm so dumb. But do got backpacks. I am looking for them for at least a decent deal. $60 for these. My kid really likes the RPM backpacks, so that's kind of what I'm going for. This one does have a bottle. It says a bottle pocket on the side, but I kind of like the really fat ones. Really fat ones. What these going for? What these going for? $60 for those. Normally 85. I've seen this one quite a few times. This one does feel pretty nice, but not what I'm looking for. Maybe that's what you guys are looking for. That's what I'm showing you guys. These are all going for 60. It says normally 85. The last one right here, I think this one is 62. I have a feeling. Yep, $60. Dang it. I did see the RPM backpack, but not the color my kid wants, so did not grab him. $42 for these t-shirts. You do get an additional 20 off. On the clearance apparel, you do get 30 off though. They still have this Trey Lance jersey. Still 130. What the hell? It doesn't make sense. Some of the stuff just don't make sense. 185 still for these bad boys. Just saw that on that other shelf right there. Oh, that one was black. This one's white. 42. Got some blank football jerseys. Triple XL and XL. Is that really 80? the? Angel City FC jersey right here, 95. Nike apparel, like the clearance section, prices have like been really whatever. I feel like they haven't given us like the greatest deals. Like look at this, look at this, look at this. That is tech fleece, but come on now, come on now, come on now. So yeah, it is what it is. All right, let's go back to the sneakers. All right, we're back in the back wall right here, 160. The La Familia. Yeah, the La Familia Air Max 1 premiums. You should get 30 off. At least they have them, at least, right? 130 for the Air Force Ones. These are size 12. Take One 2s after the discount. What, $48 after a discount? Or $42, my bad. Got the crazy mocks right here, the undercover mocks right here. These are just weird as hell. Are these the ones that Ballinonabudget got? I don't remember. 50 right here. Not seen much on the reefers, but do got Pegasus, Michigan Pegasus right here. Pegasus 40 Michigans going for 70. Back wall, we've seen a couple of really good items, but not the craziest selection overall. You got Jordan 1 golf right here. We saw these earlier, 130, size 12. Size 13 next gens right here go for 85. Regular dunk, size 14, 115. More dunks right here, size 14, 110. Do got some interesting items on the end caps right here. Do got Jordan 1 low OGs. Been seeing these really priced well. We've seen these on the back wall. 140 here. We saw them on the back wall at East LA. So hopefully you guys saw that. These just came out. 160. I can't believe they got these here. All right, they got these within a week at Torrance on the aisles. That's pretty freaking crazy. Within a week of release day, that is pretty nuts. And then they still got the Air Force Ones right here. And then, oh my God, they have these here. These are so freaking dope. I can't wait till these make the back wall. So I don't think most of y'all are paying 85, right? 85, a freaking fortune for these, but these are so dope. These are so dope. Hopefully they make the back wall, 40% off. I'll take these for 40% off. I'll pay like maybe 50 for them. Maybe 40, yeah, like 40, 50. On every one I've gotten for under 50 bucks. So that is hella fire. They got plenty of sizes up to size 14. I would love a size 11, but I also would love them for cheaper than that, dude. Forget that. Then they got some Air Max Pluses right here. Got some of the Vapor Max Mock. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah, they got them. They got them. And they got its cousin right here. Of course, this is going to continue to go on sale. What are those? The Air Max Pulse Roams? 2017s right here. What is this? A Hyper Royal or something? What colorway? What colorway is this? That's not the Pure Platinum. What the hell? What the hell? Deep Royal. That's the color code. Pure Platinum right here. Mac Attacks. Terminators right here. Another Terminator. That's hella cheap. Air Flight 89s. Flight Light Mids. Some Airspans. Air Force One Highs. And then they got the pennies right here. Social Status collab. That's crazy that they got a bunch of these right here. I almost copped one of these because this is really close to the OG what's that, Orlando Magic colorway. That is crazy that they got both of these here. 150 and 150. Has a special boxing and everything. And that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope, man. Emulated like a school thing, a school assignment, homework, something like that. Then they got some generic Jordans. What are they called? The Team Jordans. That's what most people call them. Take One 2s right here. These are budget signatures for Westbrook. Then they got a bunch of these Jumpman Pro Quick. I don't know, man. Nobody knows the names of all this stuff. They got a bunch of stuff. Then they got 30% off random stuff. Drawstring bag right here, $15. So that's what, 12 bucks after a discount. They've had these forever here, dude. Just drop the price. Drop the price. $7. These are normally 16. But like it's Christmas stuff, man. Come on now. Then they got Jordan merch right here. You know, it's off season, so stuff's gonna go hella cheap. $70 for the Jordan flight hoodies right here. I believe these are the same price. You do get that extra 30 off on top. Yeah, 70 bucks. Got Jordan cargo pants right here, $80. And long sleeves going for 45. Got shorts, $25. You get an extra 40% off. Holy cow. Holy cow, these are thin, dude. That dry-fit material is so freaking thin. Got tech fleece, $60. Pretty much matching the clearance store, right? Clearance store, most tech fleece, 60 bucks. For the jackets right here, these are fleece jackets. That's not bad at all, you guys. Not bad. They also got the pants right here as well. Then, of course, I do have to check out the women's. And look at this. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. Look at this right here. Holy cow, look at this. Dude got these bad boys right here. This is a size 10. 10 men's, 11.5 women's. $110. You do get that extra 30 off. So what is that? 80 bucks? 80 bucks. Might be like $78 or something like that. 77 something. Holy crap, that is a deal. That is a deal. If I was buying all kinds of J's, I definitely would grab that. But kind of on a spending freeze, so man, yeah, I can't be buying nothing. I'm still buying stuff, but I should not be buying stuff. Man, dude, got these right here. These are going for $180 though. This is a size 12 women's, so 10.5 men's. You know, these haven't been out that long. You know, you get 30% off, not bad. Check in the women's section right here, size 8.5 women's, size 7 youth. Could be 7 men's too. But yeah, man, 2 bills. These are pretty clean. I like those. I really like Jordan 3s in general. But I'm concentrating on the refurbs and not really seeing much. Not as many refurbs as East LA. I don't know what that's about. Maybe they just sell more stuff here. I don't know. But yeah, slightly imperfect, $60 for these. Still got a couple of these 12s. I'm on my 12s left over, $150. Got one of these right here, size 7 women's, $150. These are kind of growing on me. The Air Force One Wilds. One of the few Air Forces where the midsole, it's like fabric over the midsole. Upper's a little weird too, but not bad. Mostly suede, $145, a little too much. Really want these size 10. I could do size 10 in a Jordan 1 high. Look at this one right there. Damn, we got Grinches on. Really like these. It reminds me of the Rams colorway though, man. What the hell am I gonna do with this? What would I wear it with? Yeah, of course I bought plenty of other things, but like I said, I'm being more selective. I really like those. Alright, there's a Ross right next door. I just realized I need to stop by another spot after this. Yeah, we'll continue our visit to the Puma outlet right here. $50 for the Mellow 2s. Then we got multiple colorways, of course, already. Multiple sizes. Damn, that just went off. I barely touched it. What the hell? RSX right here. I wish I had that on camera. I just slapped it again and then it stopped. What the hell? Some undercover hovers. Some Under Armour hovers right here. Got Michelin outsole and everything. $55. These are interesting. These are hella interesting. Got one in blue as well. This looks like the same outsole. Same midsole. Like this looks like the same thing. Oh, okay, it just has like a protective shield on top. The precipitation, it looks like $55 for those. Budget Steph Curry's right here. $40 for those. Project Rock, pretty good colorway, size 9. That's actually a really solid colorway. That's not bad at all. Yeah, what's the price? Oh, the tag looks like it fell off. Don't see any numbers on the bottom. They've been going for like 50 and change, I think. Witnesses right here going for 50, witness 8s. And of course more of these. Donovan Mitchell's right here, bigger size, going for 40. Cosmic Unity 3s, bigger size, like I said, it's 12, 13, size 13, $50 for those. Roshi Golf right here, going for 35. Gill Zeros right here. Something money colorway, I forgot, because it is lined with money on the inside. These are size 11, going for $40. This has really nice suede on it. Material on this is fantastic. But yeah, 40 bucks, that's what's up. And more of those. Cosmic Unity 2's going for 60. Another one of the Roshi Golf right here. Did scope out their backpacks. Didn't really see that much. Still got Adidas backpack right here, 60 down to, I don't know what the hell it's down to. But yeah, it's a budget one, not like super premium. That one down to 35. If you guys need a duffel bag, this is a dope spot to get duffel bags. I did forget to mention that. But yeah, this is normally 40. This is down to 20 bucks. They got different sizes, different brands. They have Nike stuff here too. $13 for that one. Last stop for the day, Crate and Barrel Outlet. I don't even know what city I'm in. What city am I in? Furniture outlet. They also should have plates and stuff like that. That's what they're known for. Kitchenware. Damn, I don't really know Crate and Barrel like that, but their stuff is expensive. Holy crap. $1,700. I guess that's not too bad, but that's only $2,500 for that ugly thing. All right, this is that type of stuff that I'm talking about. Take 40% off, but it's still not cheap. Two grand, and then you get 40% off. $3,800 for this one. Material's like really nice, but yeah, stuff's overpriced, man. Overpriced here, man. I wasted 20 minutes driving here, man. $2,500 for a dresser. Holy cow. Okay, so okay, this is all jacked up though, man. Nobody want no jacked up thing like that. 5 bills, 50% off, but I don't want to have to fix stuff. What the hell? $650 for a nightstand. Yeah, this place is way too bougie for me. Damn, I didn't really know. I don't really go to Crate and Barrel. I used to go there a while back to get cups and stuff. Yeah, see, this is really nice. This is plastic. This is the type of stuff I'm looking for. $6. So if I get 4 of them, it's gonna be what, 25 bucks? I don't know, a little more than I thought. I think I could find stuff for way cheaper. All right, well, we looked. See, this stuff ain't bad. Look, just regular stuff. Get 20% off. Damn, look at this one. This pasta dough maker was 50% off. Holy cow. And then you got another 20 off. So some of this stuff ain't bad. Ice cream maker. Don't really need one of those. But little mini appliances, not bad. Look, KitchenAid. Mixer right there, $170. Not like I need one, but I'm just saying.